In the year 1958, at the request of Bishop Oscar Severin, the Bishop of Raigad and Ambikapur Diocese, the Sisters of Mercy of the Holy Cross opened a dispensary in Kunkuri with minimum facilities for the poor tribal people who were hardly touched by civilization. They were the victims of ignorance and superstitions. They were deprived of medical facilities of any kind. The sick flocked to the small dispensary and accommodation became a big problem.
In 1961, Miserior, West Germany and Holy Cross Mother House, Ingenballs, Switzerland helped to establish 75-bedded hospital, nurses' quarter, kitchen and a chapel.
In 1991, ANM, that is Auxiliary Nursing and Midwifery, training was started to qualify the personnel for primary health care and to facilitate job-oriented professional training for tribal girls. So far, 236 students have been trained and they are serving the country in different setups. Raha, that is Raigad Ambikapur Health Association, had its origin in this hospital for catering the needs of the rural people. It stands as a referral hospital for Raha members.
Community Health Department was started from the very beginning of the hospital and is functioning with various activities such as preventive medical care, health workers training, agriculture and herbal garden training, village visits and health education, school health program, women's empowerment, self-help groups, mother and child health, TB control programs, AIDS awareness program and immunization.
The hospital is actively involved in the blindness eradication program of the government. With the help of Sight Savers International, an eye department was started in 2005. This agency provided the necessary equipments, and sponsored the poor patients. Regular eye camps are conducted in the villages. So far, 3,976 cataract surgeries have been done. Through Janani Suraksha Yojana and Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, the hospital channelizes the government resources to the poor.
In 2009, General Nursing School was started to uplift the tribal girls and to work as nurses in the hospital. There are 30 students in a batch. A new building for the nursing training school is in progress with the financial support of Manos Unidas, Spain, and Missions Centrale der Franziskaner, Germany. Holy Cross Hospital Kunkuri continues to render quality medical care irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. The hospital has various departments: medical, surgical, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatrics, newborn nursery and ICU. Ancillary departments: clinical laboratory, physiotherapy, operation theatres, pharmacy and canteen. Diagnostic services: X-ray, ultrasonography, electrocardiography, and cardiotocography. Adding of new facilities and equipments have increased the number of patients. At present, the bed strength is 150.
Lack of specialized doctors, patients reaching the hospital at the last moment due to lack of conveyances, poverty, malnutrition, malpractices, and superstitions are the problems to be solved. Jesus, the wounded healer, is inviting us to extend His healing hands to the sick and the suffering. Come, let us join hands to continue this endeavor to alleviate pain and sickness from the suffering humanity.